swear you ain't no friend of mine. My brother slime, my daughter slime, my cousin slime, my daddy slime, and you slime. Say, how you wanna do it? We in this bitch, slick, you heard me? Fuck with this shit. What you on, gang? Yeah, but you gon' pay because a nigga beat your son, huh? Fuck nigga, you know he dead wrong. You was thinking with his dick, that's why that nigga head gone. You was fucking with the up, that nigga want a headstone. Crack in your shit just to see what's on your mind, bitch. Don't play with me, these niggas know that I sling out. Police on my ass, I gotta watch the way I slide. He ain't can hate, but I got something to use his mind. Yeah, these niggas thinking I'm a hodo. Yeah, I'm a gangster for real, bitch. I'll kill you on your front porch. Right down, bitch, I'm from the south, zipping shit, you better lay low. If you thinking for real, I be in places niggas can't go. I'm telling you niggas, if you want you dead, I'ma finish you niggas. I hit the gas, I'm on your ass, I'ma get rid of you niggas. It's fuck the out, we have to go, we put her in you niggas. I want them all, let's go my doubles, we gon' get at you niggas. Hit your block, we tryna catch a pussy outside. Be thinking for real, I tell you bitch, I crossed the love line. I'm about mine, let's sling iron, bro, hop out with that Glock 9. Motherfuckers be coming, I tell you bitches on the boy's mind. Yeah, grew up in that fire, you came out of slime. I don't wanna talk, but you gon' die. And motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slinging 9. Take his ass on top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. These bitches know we step on shit. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon' kill them all. We ain't the ones to rap on, bitch. Yeah, 9/11 type shit, you hear me? Fuck a nigga, let they mama love him, you hear me? Yeah, shout out that top, nigga. Gang. I don't wanna tell, but you gon' die. And motherfucker come behind, cause bitch was slinging 9. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit. Yeah. Slay.